When is the time it is true and which we who is gonna shoot it?
Sheebah and I have a song called We Can, and we hope to do the video before we leave Rwanda. So we're doing the video out here for sure.
When?
We don't know what day yet, but for sure we'll do it before we leave.
Yeah, rundown after indirimbo na Sheebah. It's called The Weekend. Bazashootinga ku cyumweru. On Sunday it's gonna be shot by a famous video director called Sasha Vibes. Yeah. Antike. Yeah.
Hello, you guys, I'm short. Hello, over here. Yeah. Hi Sheebah, hi Runtown. Nice having you in Kigali. My name is Andrew. My name is Andrew Kazibwe. I represent the East African newspaper and KFM radio. I have two questions. One is for Sheebah.